I'm going to show you how to make these meatballs. We're going to smoke them, and then we're going to make meatball subs that are just going to blow your mind. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so we're going to start out first with, I have 4.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. Go ahead and get that open. Get the flies out of here. Get that right in the bowl. You're going to use your hands, and yeah, you're going to get dirty. All right, to that, we're going to have 2 hen fruit. And I have an assortment here of, I have salt, pepper, oregano, parsley. I have this sweet and smoky from the Chipotle honey seasoning in there. I have some Asiago cheese. I have some locatelli cheese. Go ahead and just dump that right on in. Just like that. And then, of course, we got to keep the vampires away. I am going to put 2 nice healthy scoops of garlic in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use some seasoned breadcrumbs. I tried to find the plain, but I couldn't find the plain, so I had to go with seasoned. But we're going to go ahead and use the breadcrumbs as our binder. And I'm going to put about a 1/2 cup in there. Get your hands in there and just grind it all together, just like that. All right, guys, when we come back, we're going to make these meatballs. We're going to form them into little ones and then throw them on the smoker. See you in a minute. Now, I've got my friends coming over for game day. These would be great for game day. You can cook these up and put them in the refrigerator. And on game day, all you got to do is just heat them up. And boom, you're ready to go. Make sure you get all the seasoning through there. You don't want somebody getting full 1 bit of seasoning, because then it will just make everything taste lousy. All right, guys, so this is what you want to do. Is you want to get yourself a this size spoon here. You don't want to fill the spoon completely up. You just want to get about halfway like that. You don't want them too big. You just want them nice bite size, fit on a bun perfectly, just like that. Lay them out on some parchment paper, and then make sure you have your smoker set for 250 degrees. I'm using my competition blend pellets, and we're going to smoke these for about an hour. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 150 to 165. All right, guys, so we're almost done the meatballs here. And like I said, you just want to try to keep them a consistent size. They don't have to be perfect, but you want to try to keep them a consistent size. And they said you don't have to use these all for sandwiches. You can make these for spaghetti and all kinds of things. But this is the last one we have here. It's going to be bigger than all the others, which is fine. That can be mine. All right, guys, we got the smoker set for 250 degrees. We just want to lay them out there. Just like that. You can lay them right on the rack. You want to space them out about 1 inch apart. Just like that. Guys, look at these things. They look fantastic. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. They are going to be good. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle and we're going to switch them over so we can get the ends in the middle and the middle on the ends. All right, guys, we turn all the meatballs over. Hey, listen, do me a favor. If you guys want to get yourself a smoker, check out my Amazon page. We have Pitbull smokers on there. We have Traeger. But guys, yeah, check out my Amazon page. I have a lot of stuff on there for you for cooking. But these meatballs look fantastic. They got about another 15 minutes on this side. And then we're going to go ahead and put them on the bun. And we're going to get these together and make some sandwiches. But do they not look great for game day? Oh my God. All right, guys, back in a little bit. All right, guys, so these meatballs are now done. They look absolutely fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these, like I said, these is for tomorrow for Thursday night football. So I'm going to take a bunch of these and put them aside. All right, guys, this is an option for you. You can put sauce on it or not. I'm going to go without the sauce, but what we are going to use is some provolone cheese here. You can use as many slices as you want. I think I'm going to go with 3 slices. I want to show you what they look like inside. Look at that. Got a beautiful smoke ring on there. Look at the juices. The juices coming off of that is going to be epically delicious. All right. Drop a couple of these guys on there like that. Just like that. Now, I don't know where you come from, but where I come from, provolone cheese is the cheese to go when you're going to make a meatball sub. We got 3 more slices of provolone here. Just like that. We're going to put this right on our smoker, already set for 250 degrees. Let this cheese smoke down a little bit and melt down inside there, and then we're going to have a fantastic bite. All right, guys, so we went ahead and made these meatballs. We smoked these meatballs. We got them off the smoker. We made a sandwich. Now we're going to take that sandwich off the smoker. We're going to have a taste test, see how we did. Now that is a sandwich. Look at that cheese melted on there. Oh my God. I got to tell you the truth though, guys. I cheated. I stole one of the meatballs and had a taste test, and absolutely fantastic. It's going to be a little hot, but you know what? Little heat for the camera don't hurt nobody. Guys, cheers. Oh, oh yeah. A little crunch on that bread. Thursday night football, game night, right here. Guys, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. But until next time, God bless and happy eats.